god, I just got this crane. Oh! I got this cool... Oh my god. That was the coolest train crash I've ever seen. Look at that. That's amazing. One of the guys dead inside. Are you dead? Are you dead, you nerd? He's supposed to watch you. Oh, where the hell did he go? Oh, Jesus, where'd he go? Holy crap, where the freak did he go? Where'd he go? I just looked around, I can't find any... Oh, there he is. Oh, that poor guy, he's dead. Wait, help me! He's still alive! Oh, come on, man, get off the track! Ah! God. Oh, that. Look at this truck. It's all destroyed. Awesome. Hey man, you got out of the train tracks just in time. Oh no. Oh. God. This guy just got in a wicked bad train. Oh, I think he just got knocked out. Oh, what happened? Oh. Oh my god. Oh, look at all the blood. Oh, that's gross. Hey man, are you alive? Are you alive? Oh man, I think he's dead. Yeah, he's dead. That's pretty cool, actually. Hey, how long have I been out? Things been on fire. Just where's the police? What the? There's the police. Oh my god. This is sick. Holy crap. I've been knocked out for a couple hours, I'm like... Oh, there's blood all over the freaking police. Oh. He did. I don't know where this guy is. I'm trying to see if there's maybe like hiding. I don't see anything underneath the car. And there's blood. Oh my god. Holy. Is he dead? He's dead. This is so awesome. And just look how much damage there is.